So vegetable carving to make chili was a complete success. We also, as you saw, carved up a chicken. Now we're gonna carve up the cousin of that chicken, our Thanksgiving bird.
Known as a turkey.
Sweetie.
There's a surfer back there too.
It is literally cutting like butter.
Ooh, look at that.
It is sweet, right? Look at that. And whoever cooked this turkey has done a phenomenal job. Well, let's taste it first, yeah, before compliments to the chef. My understanding he's very handsome as well. He's talented. I want this piece. Okay, so before I go into breaking off legs and wings and that kind of stuff, I can tell you this thing is ridiculously cool. You should absolutely get yourself one. There's even a link right here on the screen or down below. Both of them work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use. Enough of the turkey talk. Let's talk about the star of the show, this amazing Japanese knife, which would make an incredible gift for someone. Just look at the packaging. This is so freaking cool. So it comes with a certificate of authenticity, cool history about the blade and the rolled steel. Comes with a nice microfiber cloth to keep it clean, a sheath so you don't slice yourself up when it's in the drawer. And let's get down to the magic piece here. Look at this blade. How freaking cool and beautiful is this? The handle is awesome. So creative and so unique, right? We have this great pearlescent blue material along with this nice cool wood grain looking finish. Only one thing left to do is we have to cook and carve all day because it is Thanksgiving and I know you were looking for a great gift idea. So I need to test this bad boy out on a whole bunch of different stuff and I'll come back, I'll let you know how it went. If I've added some value to your wondering about this, please make sure you like the video, follow the channel, and smash that hype feature right down there below for watching here on YouTube. I hope this has been helpful. The turkey thief is going to get herself some free turkey without even stealing it, but I hope this video has been helpful. We'll see you in the next one.